Hey everyone, Taylor here at The Leather Guy, and we are going to talk about our leather tracing stylus. So you can see this tool actually has two tools on each end, but today we're just going to talk about how to use the tracing stylus. So to start, we're going to take our veg tan leather and we are going to case it with a bit of water. You may have a different casing method or one that's meant for more long-term tooling, but since I'm just showing how to use the tracing tool today, I'm just going to do a very quick casing of the leather. You don't want to apply too much leather, you don't want it to be absolutely drenched or soaked, you don't want water pooling on the top, but you do want to get it to that little bit darker color that you can see right now. Once you've got the water on there, you're going to let it dry for just a couple of minutes till it gets a little closer to that original color. Once you're happy with where it's at, you are going to take your stencil or your image that you are going to be tracing onto the leather to be tooled later. I've attached it to a little piece of paper here so I can flip it back and forth. It's under the leather so it won't budge. You can tape it, but tape can be a little iffy with the front end of the leather. So once you're happy with the placement, you're going to take the ball end of the stylus and you're going to gently start tracing around the outline. You don't want to apply too much pressure because since the leather is cased, you can go really deep with this really easily. So I would essentially just trace over it like you are handwriting or drawing the image. Especially if you're using paper like this, if you go a little lighter handed, you'll still have this template or the stencil to trace again later. It's one of the nice things about using this ballpoint stylus. It's not hard on the paper or any of your templates that you're using, so you can continue to reuse them going forward. You do want to keep checking periodically, flipping the paper up to double check that you haven't missed anything. And then just keep tracing along your outlines. Once you're pretty confident that you've hit every line on there, you can wrap it up. You can just take away the template over the top, set it aside, keep it if you want to use it later, but there you go. That is just how simple it is to use the tracing stylus. Like I mentioned, we haven't punched through the paper because we've been drawing over it very lightly, so this isn't a waste of the template. It's there when we need it. You can also use the stylus to deepen any lines that maybe you went a little too soft on directly on the leather itself. But that's all it takes. Really easy, really straightforward, and now your design is traced onto your leather and you can move forward with tooling. Thanks so much for joining us today, and we'll see you next time.